Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Hello, I'm Elijah and welcome to another episode of Adventurous Kids. Today is the solar eclipse, so let's hear from this very nice lady how a solar eclipse works.
Hello, my name is Hallie and I'm from the Museum of Discovery and Science at Fort Lauderdale. And I'm here, I have a solar system demonstrator. I'm showing Earth and Moon, and there are two scales. So I chose the Earth to be 1 inch, and the distance between Earth and the Moon is 30 times the diameter of the Earth. So I have 30 little Earths side by side until I get to the Moon. And then the size of the Moon is 1/4 of an inch. So it's 30 times the distance of the diameter of the Earth and 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth. Now, how do we get solar eclipses? So you have the sun over there, the real sun. So when the shadow of the Moon crosses in front of the surface of Earth, let me see if I can get a line. Oh, can you see the little shadow on surface?
Yeah, I can.
So this one is a simulation of a little solar eclipse. Would you like to take an image on here to image the surface of the Earth? Can you see the little Earth? Would you like to come close and see the demonstrator? See? This is a solar eclipse because the Moon is passing the surface of the Earth. Wow. And then you can see it going in front of the planet, and that's a solar eclipse. Now, if I flip to the other side, what kind of eclipse will I have?
A lunar eclipse.
Very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cast a shadow on the surface of the Moon using the Earth. So I get a demonstration, and I get this. Can you see the Moon's covered by the shadow of the Earth? So you can do that, and you can demonstrate. Now, would you like to try out and do yourself to do that? I have a smaller proportion, and all of us can try together. So one for you, and one for me. So can you hold it?
Yes.
I have here 1 centimeter Earth. So I have here 1/4 of that diameter. So that will be 2.5 millimeters. And then this is a 30 centimeter ruler. So as I go and move around, I can cause a lunar eclipse because I will move the shadow of the Earth in front of the Moon, and then I will cause a lunar eclipse. Now, if I flip to the other side and align with the sun, I can make the little shadow of the tiny little Moon pass in front. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
That's the way it happens. Now, another easy way for you to do it is actually pretend that you Earth and this little ball is the Moon. So if it's going in front and blocking one part of my face, that will be a solar eclipse. And then if my whole head blocks the Moon, you cause a lunar eclipse. So that's how you can demonstrate in many ways. The sun was this size. If you wanted this size, that would be the size of the Earth. I can actually show you here. So if the sun was this size, this would be the size of the Earth.
Wow.
Now we're gonna do the distance of this scale. So can you hold that one? So now we're gonna walk. I mean that's yeah. If you stand
I'm agnostic, okay?
Wow, that is far. Wow.
From that, I'm gonna give you a little
Okay.
Okay. On the
Over here and get some glasses real quick.
Okay. So without using the plane, I just marked 20 meters. But this scale, the distance is 20 meters.
Wow.
So this would be around, I don't know in miles. So the distance would be 65 feet. And that would be equivalent to 93 million miles.
Wow.
For the size and the distance.
Wow.
So that will be how it is. And now if you stand in that mark and look at, hold on a minute. If you stand in that mark and looking at the sun like this, if you stand in that mark, when you stretch your arm and you put your pinky up, the sun is going to be smaller than your nail in your pinky. So what it means is that it's a half of the degree, and it's about the same size as the sun in the sky in projection. So if you stand up and you look at the sun and you look at the model sun, that will be exactly at the same size in the sky and on the model if you stand and you put your pinky up.
Now here are some pictures and videos from the actual solar eclipse, so enjoy. See a solar eclipse, you have to be careful because you cannot directly look at the sun with your bare eyes. It can cause serious eye damage or even blindness. So to look at the sun safely during a solar eclipse, you need to wear these solar eclipse glasses, which only filter a safe amount of light through the glasses so you can see the sun without getting your eyes hurt and or blinded. So these are the glasses you need to wear if you want to look at the solar eclipse safely. Thank you for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.